Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Home Depot. We're going to be looking at some clearance deals, some Milwaukee clearance deals. Yes guys, there's cops out here pretty much in every Home Depot that's out here. Anyways, don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform. My subscribers and likes, so help out the channel by doing so. Alright, let's start here with the Milwaukee or the Makita. We got $4.99 for the mower and then $2.79 for the blower and string trimmer. Guys, this string trimmer combo and blower kit, it's going on clearance. I did see it in one store for $1.99. I don't know if I saw it for this store, but I did not take the clip of it. It's going on clearance, so you guys make sure you guys check your loads, physically going to the garden section and check that out. Some of the stores are even getting it cheaper. So $1.99 is the lowest that I've seen. So it's really good because it's usually $2.79. Alright, so we got this mower. This is 36 bolt mower, 21 push self-propelled, $4.99. Alright, we got the 10-inch chainsaw, $1.99. This thing's a beast. Always has good reviews. So make sure you guys check it out. Alright, so we got the Ryobi. This is the HP combo kit at $2.39. It's the 1 Plus. It's the string trimmer, edger, and jet fan blower. Alright, you got this one. This one's the power cleaner, easy clean, 600 psi cord, is $159. Not necessarily, it's mostly if you need something portable, not necessarily the most powerful. So $159 for this one. This one's the string trimmer, edger. You got the 16-inch mower. It says it has a 4 amp hour battery. So that is the kit. $2.79 for the 16-inch for a really small yard. Alright, you got this is jet fan blower, brushless, 350 CFM, $159. So $159 for that. Like I always say, make sure you guys look at your CFM. Usually around 400 or more, it's good. It's 400 or less, it's really not that powerful. Alright, so this is something we haven't looked at before outside. This is the 16-inch mower. This is an 18 volts. If you're on the 18 volt platform for Ryobi, this is the mower, pretty much the bare bones, but it works. It has one handle there for the level, and it does have that handle there for carrying it and stuff like that. $69.97 for the power source, 150 watts. 150 watts, you're gonna say it's not enough, but it's basically for smaller stuff. You got a small TV, you got a small radio, you got a small light, a small fan, small computer. Or you can power any of those. $99 for the 8-inch pruning chainsaw. Now this thing, I did see it last year. It's about a year old, but still it's one of the newer tools that they got out. It says compact, lightweight. Hopefully they have these. They'll do a sale further, like more discounts on these, so we can get some good deals on these. So $199 for this pole saw. It says bar and chain oil. $169 for the 40 volt 24-inch edge trimmer. I don't have any of those. Then they got the 40 volt 15-inch brushless string trimmer, $99. This is the kit. And I believe this one's the attachment capable. So the 8-inch edger attachment. And if you guys look at the middle of the shaft there, it does have like if you can screw that together or not. So that might be how you can attach the attachments. You get a bump feed, serrated blades. So all kinds of options on this one. So you guys do look here. It says attachment capable. You can attach. Ryobi makes all these attachments. They even make that like a sweeper there. So make sure you guys check that out. $89.97 for the 40 volt 300 watt power source. So this is a 40 volt, still on the 40 volts, 300 watts. Not too bad. It's a little bit stronger than the other one. $199 for the 14-inch chainsaw. So that's a 40 volts chainsaw here. Pretty nice. Alright, so onto the Milwaukee's. Yeah, some good deals here on this one too. Well, actually, this is the DeWalt. This is the power cleaner, $159. I do not recommend this one or any of the rest of them that look like this. if you want something portable, you can use it. But if you want something solid that's gonna wash your car, you know, take the dirt off, you want something like this. Even the Ryobi one's pretty good. So this one's 2100 max psi, 1.2 gallons per minute, and it does have internal storage. That's something I like. I hate about my Ryobi that this one does have. This one you can store all your stuff inside the unit. It looks like inside or on the side. I don't know if that thing goes inside. And it looks like it does include a 40-degree, a 15-degree nozzle, turbo, and a soap. I don't know if it's a soap dispenser or a soap tip. And then a 25 feet hose. It says portable retractable handle. It says durable frame for stacking. I don't know if you can stack compatible with tow system, but they do have a box on top. Alright, so onto the Milwaukee. You got $299 for the quick lock. This is the one that's attachment capable. See all those attachment string trimmer kits with quick lock, 2025-21. And then that's how basically the attachments you're going to get on this box. Battery, 8 amp hour battery. This is the blower for $329. I still think this is pretty pricey. Regarding that, you guys could probably get this if you guys hack this blower, you guys could get it for like $100. So that's the 8 amp hour battery. String trimmer and blower combo kit. Yeah, it's pretty pricey still. $439. Hopefully they'll drop this. A lot of people are just gonna buy it because they like the red, the Milwaukee. But I think it's still pretty pricey for what you're getting. If you can go with another brand and pretty much get the same thing and cheaper. Alright, so $497 for the cut level 1 gloves. $21.97 for this chain. This is a replacement chains for the pruning. 6-inch. This is the hatchet, the pruning saw. This the kit, $269, and then you got the battery there, 6 amp hour battery, $119. 2527-21. So hopefully we can get more discounts on these. Hopefully they'll go on clearance or even cheaper. All right, so $21.97, the .095 trim line from Milwaukee. I haven't used this one personally. I've used the DeWalt, but must be pretty good because it's Milwaukee. $397 for the 10 pairs of earplugs. You got safety glasses, $7.97, and you got the $129 for the vacuum, and then $169 for the blower by itself, or $299 for the string trimmer with quick lock, 8 amp hour battery, $299. All right, guys, I did see this on clearance. This is the older mower. This is the metal, the bigger one, a lot heavier. So this is a 36 volt 21-inch metal self-propelled mower, $669, down from $799. It does come with 4 batteries, and this is the older one. The other one was on clearance. I don't know why they're clearancing it out, but this was the newer one. $499, I believe, is the price. All right, I saw this on clearance. This is some shears, 18 gauge shears, $100, down from $199. 6.8 amps, 18 gauge metal shear, 6852-20. That is the product number or the item number. All right, saw this nailer. This is a M18 fuel framing, $349. So that is the. Make sure you guys scan these, guys, or if you guys are interested in any of these tools, make sure you guys scan them, or have one of the guys that work here scan them, because they might be a lot lower than that. $294 down to from $588. This is a 3-piece extension set. I ended up getting one of these. It's just so cheap. I did see them for. This is actually the lowest I've seen them. A 3-piece socket extension set. It's 3/8, 1/4 inch, and 1/2 inch drive. So pretty nice on that. And then they had these on clearance from 7, or not on clearance, but it says was $988 down to 7. These are the Husky, the black ones, but I did not see any of those. It seems like they already bought them. Then we have this one, a straight finish nailer, $68, down from $169. It's a 2.5, 16-inch, 16 gauge. My bad. All right, you got the fan there, $99. I believe that's the regular sale price that they have this time. It's not really these are the newer gloves, cut level 3, goatskin leather gloves, 1997. They do have some knuckle protection there, in case you guys are doing demos with these and harder work. All right, you got the vacuum there, 129 M18 2-gallon cordless wet and dry vacuum, very tool. Pretty nice with that. And then they got the M12. So the M12 is a little bit smaller and it takes the other battery. And those are the stuff you're gonna get in it with it, the box. Utility nozzle, flexible hose, filter, wall mount, capable. All right, so you can get the XL box for 109, the large box for 89, the smaller box for 64. And then you can get this big rolling toolbox there for 229. You can get the pack out light and charger for 199. Guys, this was on the, you guys could get it with buy one get one free last year on that one, and I believe it came down to like 120. So guys, don't pay the 199. Make sure you guys wait on those sales and those deals. Make sure you guys stay tuned to this channel and subscribe. Every time one of those deals pops up, I always upload it as soon as possible. Alright, so you got the Milwaukee card here for $98. Looks like this one's been here quite a while. It's kind of dusty. Hopefully they'll drop in clearance. You guys see any of this? Oh guys, and I did see this. This is it says 2022 Wave 1 racetrack. It says hold for events 13122. And I looked up the SKUs, and that's what I saw. An inflator and some batteries for 119. So guys, those are coming up. Make sure you guys stay tuned for those, and hopefully they'll have next time I'm around. M18 high output batteries, 169. I did see this with the yellow tag here in the cage. Make sure you guys check out the cage. Alright guys, we got the power stack. These are the brand new batteries. If you guys haven't checked out my video, they're going to have hacks on these. They're going to have the buy one get one free on these. So you guys are able to get this kit with a bare tool, I believe, or buy the bare tool and get this free, either one or the other. Still stay tuned for those. Like I said, as soon as they pop up, I will have them. $64.97 for this kit, 75 piece. All right, they got the MX tool. Yeah, this Home Depot does have the MX tools from Milwaukee, the pro level tools, and they do have a cage there to the right with all the tools. And these tools are huge, guys. They are massive. Check out that battery. That battery is like huge. Check out my hand. I have bigger hands. And check that out. That's 14 inches right there. So yeah, and that's the price, $2,499. It's a 14-inch cut-off saw. It does come with I believe 2 batteries. That is the inverter generator, however you want to call it. It does have a battery on the top. You guys, it is battery operated. All right, you got that, and then you got the demolition hammer there, and these are the chisels here. These things are massive and heavy. $34.97. It's a 1 1/8 by 16-inch hex. So faster, safer, easier demolition. And that's the way it looks there. I guess it does come with the cart, or you can buy a cart for it. We're gonna go over the tools here. All right, so they got the MX handheld core drill. So they got a big drill there. Got the compact core drill stand. So they do have the stand. You got a cut-off saw cart. So I guess you can roll it, and you can mount to the backpack. MX fuel rocket tower light and charger. You got the silver drum machine with the power treads. Then you got the battery and charger expansion kit. Then you got the red lithium battery pack. It's just one. You got the 4-gallon backpack water supply kit. And you got the dust extractor attachment. Then you got the 8-gallon dust extractor. Then you got the charger there for $199. And then you got it looks like a battery. It says battery pack $5.99. Then you got the power supply, the carry-on power supply, the generator, however you want to call it, 2 batteries, charger, and then you got the demolition hammer, the breaker, however you want to call it, $2,499. And then you got the cut-off saw kit with 2 batteries, $2,499. Just wanted to share this with you guys, something different that I don't see in every Home Depot. Alright, you got the half-inch hammer drill, $149. It does not have an SKU or anything. You got some clothing here for $19.88. You got some hats there, $19.97. I personally prefer the black ones. So, and then we got the firm grip, your reusable face mask, down to $470. Guys, that's it for today, guys. Just want to show you guys what's going on with this Home Depot. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more review videos. That's the way YouTubers platform by subscribes and likes. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks.